Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So during my last crafting session, I figured I really needed to clean my craft room out. Spring is right around the corner and my room was a mess to say the least. So I'm starting by cleaning out my calyx unit from IKEA, and I'm just putting everything on the floor for right now, and I'm vacuuming it off and just using some Pledge to dust it because it was super dusty. Now I'm just going through all the drawers and cabinets and also vacuuming and dusting those as well. I do apologize for the odd half out of frame filming. This is my first time filming one of these like montage videos, so I'll get better. I've learned from my mistakes. So this is all the yarn from my calyx that I'm going through, just trying to separate everything out into what I want to keep and what I want to donate, probably to family members. I'm also just going through every knitting and crocheting bag that I have and separating out all of the notions so I can have everything in one place. And I don't know if anyone else does this, but I'm putting each project in their own little bag so I can just grab the bag and my notions bag and go. Now I'm at my Alex drawers in my desk and I'm cleaning out that mess. Nothing really had a place in these drawers and they also weren't used to their potential, so that was kind of bothering me with this section. I found a whole bunch of stuff in these drawers that I totally forgot about, like my DS that you could just see, and unfortunately it was dead, but I'm gonna charge it up because, you know, Animal Crossing is coming out next week and I am so pumped. I'm totally buying a Switch just to play it. So this is my awesome pegboard my boyfriend made me. I like the more minimal look and this wasn't that, so I decided to remove everything and finally hang my thread holder. So this is the current state of my craft room. I feel like I'm always cleaning my craft room. And if you hear that noise, it's just my forced hot air running right now. But yeah, I had to stop last night. This is more like near my feet. I had to stop cleaning last night because it was like getting late and I was just kind of like in a rut and I didn't know what else to do. And I really wasn't sure what I wanted to put here. This, by the way, is the calyx like unit from IKEA. I did do this. I put that in the center. I don't know if I like it. I don't know if I don't like it. Yeah, I think that meant the same thing, but whatever. So basically, I wasn't sure what I wanted to do with these. And then I was looking on Target's website last night, and I'm just trying not to die and fall on everything. Oh my gosh. All my poor plants. I don't want to like, yeah, there's just too much stuff in here. I was on Target's website last night, like looking for these. I was looking for like really cute ones, and I know this chinoiserie kind of pattern and like the blue and white is really in right now. It's more of like a royal blue that's in, but I thought this would just look, I thought this would just look really pretty in my calyx unit. That is a hole in my wall. Just ignore that. It's from when we put my ceiling fan in. We still haven't plugged up the hole because we had to hook the ceiling fan up to the outlet that is also hidden over there. This is one of the Threshold 13-inch storage cubes. These were like $10.99 each. Oh, on the website they were like $10, not $10.99. I don't know. So yeah, I'm thinking for my calyx things, I'm thinking of putting those on like either end, and then like books and like notebooks kind of like stacked but like towards the middle, and then these like gold bookends that I have. So I think that would look really cute, but we'll see how that works. I'm gonna measure this and make sure that these things that I bought actually are gonna fit, because I really like them and I'm gonna be really sad if they don't fit now. So I actually went to Target yesterday to pick up cat litter because they had like a buy one get one 40% off. So I did that, and I also wanted to get 2 binders because I want to have, like, instead of an accordion folder, I want to put all of my information in a binder and then have like a recipe binder for like meal planning for the week. What did I forget when I went to Target? The binders. I bought 2 of these. I got another storage bin for my closet. I got 2 smaller storage bins, and then like a gift for my nephew and a card. And totally, we were even near the stationery aisle and or the office supply aisle, and I still didn't even remember that I needed them. So here I'm going through all of my fabric and just deciding what to keep. A lot of this is nice fabric that I wanted to keep, but honestly I have no plans to use it and probably won't use it, so I'd rather give it to a better home. For some reason this day I was really chatty, but the video was way too long, so I cut all of it out. So just ignore me if you can see me babbling away, showing things to the camera. That was me talking to the camera. So we will be filming a craft room tour to show you all what I put and where. So once I finish finally decorating my room, I'll have that up for you to watch. Now I'm going through my closet, which was a crazy mess. Tons of yarn projects I thought I would finish, but honestly, I probably won't ever finish them. I also decided to put my creations in a bin downstairs because knits are not supposed to hang, and I had a lot of that going on. If you can't tell, this whole process took me 3 days, pretty much all day Saturday, Sunday, and then a little bit on Monday. Okay, so the room is officially tidy and decluttered KonMari style. I think I'm going to do like a little bit of decorating. Not like super decorating, but I think I'm going to do a video on like a tour of my craft room because it looks kind of plain right now, but you know, because I just put everything away. But yeah, I just have like a few things here to put away. I have a box of papers. This stuff is gonna go in my basement, and then I've got a cat toy, and then this is just some makeup that I decluttered a while back. But yeah, I feel like I can actually breathe and move. This is much cleaner. I'm gonna have to remember though, like where I put everything. I think that's the problem when I declutter and clean my stuff out. I never remember where I actually put it, which is not helpful. But yeah, it's a lot cleaner. I'll give you a view from over here. So much better. And I took the rug off of my floor. That's what that is back there. Just because I felt like it was taking up too much like space. Like the room isn't that big anyway, but it just kind of like opened the room up more. I'm able to cut patterns on the floor. But yeah, this is still like, not the stuff on top, but like, I love my little bins and the little brown ones in the middle. And then also I put the fairy lights up, which are so cute. I'm so happy with how that came out too. I was afraid it wouldn't be long enough, but it was the perfect length. So happy. But yeah, I think I'm going to just decorate that and do a little bit of other like decorative things around the room. And then I will share with you guys my room tour for my craft room in 2020. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.